Namaste, Pritul Machines welcome you. Today we will tell you about Bakery Rotary Rack Oven 560. Pritul Rotary Rack Oven is ideal for cake, pastry, cookies, biscuits, puffs, patties, khari, cream roll, sandwich and all type of bread, pav, bun and all type of bakery products. Pritul Rotary Rack Oven 560 is ideal for live baking concept in concern or your bakery shop.
Please like and share video.
For complete details and prices, watch the video till end. This is Pritul Rotary Rack Oven 560. It comes with inbuilt trolley capacity of 10 trays, which rotates in oven to bake the products. For heating, diesel is mostly used, but gas like LPG, PNG, CNG can also be used. Even electricity can also be used for heating. The main benefits of Pritul Oven 560 is its rotary but non-removal trolley model. The trolley rotates inside the oven. That's why baking is even throughout the trolley. Also, baking is much faster than DAC oven. Watch the video till end to know prices and benefits of it. Body of Pritul Oven 560 is made of fully stainless steel inside and outside. The trolley also made of stainless steel. Heat exchanger is made of complete high grade stainless steel which lasts longer than decades. Pritul Oven 560 comes with a 1-year warranty. This is Oven 560 control panel where you can easily set temperature and time for baking. Start stop button for air circulation blower. Start stop button for trolley rotation. You can stop trolley rotation and loading position by auto manual switch. For bell switch, on off switch. For light, you can see the product baking from large glass window in door. There is also a steam option in this oven 560 where you can set steam time and start the steam for set time when steam is required. The Pritul Oven 560 supplied with diesel tank. Diesel burner Riello made in Italy.
Please like and share video.
Electrical panel with heavy duty and all branded switch gear and Teflon coated wires. Heavy duty branded blower motor for air circulation. Heavy duty Italian make gear motor for rotation of trolley. Door handle fitted with heavy duty rack in pinion locking system. Also comes with safety switch which stop working of trolley blower and burner immediately when you open the door. When you set the trolley switch at automate, trolley automatically stop at product's loading position. It's a save times and energy to load trays of molds. Oven 560 has tray capacity of 10 trays or size 12 inches by 18 inches. Size of oven 560 is front width 3 and half width 42 inches, side depth 5 feet 60 inches and total height with the stand 6 feet 2 inches, total 74 inches. Power load of oven 560 is 1 kilowatt. Production capacity of oven 560 is cookies 9 kilo per hour, 72 kilo per day in 8 hours. Rusk 30 kilo per day in 8 hours. Bread 20 breads of 400 grams at a time 320 bread per day in 8 hours. Patties 12 dozen per hour, 96 dozen per day in 8 hours. Cake 10 kilo per hour, 80 kilo per day in 8 hours. Pav or bun 10 dozen per hour, 80 dozen per day in 8 hours.
Please like and share video.
Normally we make products so around 60 to 80 kilo per day in 8 hours. If we talk about a profit margins up to 50 to 100 rupees per kilo if you retail and you have your own shop. As per bakery location or locality, you can make profit of up to 1 lakh rupees per month. To set up a small bakery, you also need spiral mixture for bread, buns, rusk and patties, pastry mixture for cake, cookies and cream, bread slicer to slice bread and rusk, working tables, trays and molds. We can help you to set up full bakery with all the machines required for it. We have a startup package of 4,99,000 in which we provides all the machines required. For more detail, visit our website www.mitul.com or call now 9897 989181.